In this video, you'll learn how to connect Shopify to WordPress using Zapier. By the end of this guide, you will have established a link between your Shopify store and your WordPress site, allowing for seamless integration of your e-commerce and content management systems. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage, open a web browser and enter the Zapier URL. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click the sign in button. But for new users, you can create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Next, locate the create button on the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to start the process of creating a new Zap. This action will take you to a new screen where you can begin setting up your integration. After that, find the Zaps option in the left sidebar and click on it. This section displays all your existing Zaps. You can create a new Zap from here or manage existing ones. Ensure you're in the correct area before continuing. Now, in the search bar, type WordPress to Shopify to find the integration template. This will help you set up the connection between the two platforms. Once the template appears, click on it to proceed. Once this appears, click on Start Building to enter the setup phase of your new Zap. You will be directed to a new page where you can configure the details of your integration. Next, you will need to click on WordPress to set it as the trigger application. This action indicates that an event in WordPress will initiate the integration process. Confirm that the WordPress logo appears on your screen before moving on. Afterward, click on the Trigger Event drop-down menu. From the options presented, select New Post. This choice specifies that the integration will trigger whenever a new post is created on your WordPress site. Next, click on Account to connect your WordPress account. You will be prompted to connect your WordPress site by entering the necessary credentials. Ensure that your WordPress site is accessible and that you have the correct login information ready. Now, click on Connect Verbs. This will establish a secure connection between Zapier and your WordPress site. You should see a confirmation message once the connection is successful. Following that, click on Shopify to set it as the action application. This indicates that the integration will perform an action within Shopify based on the trigger from WordPress. Next, click on Shopify again to confirm your action application. This will allow you to set up what specific action you want to take place in Shopify when a new post is created. Now, click on Action Event to specify the action that will occur in Shopify. From the drop-down, select Create Product. This specifies that a new product will be created in your Shopify store based on the... Next, click on Account to connect your Shopify account, similar to the WordPress connection. You will need to provide your Shopify store credentials. Make sure you have your store details available. Now, click on Connect Shopify. To establish the link with your Shopify account, a confirmation message should appear once the connection is successful, indicating that the integration is now set up. At this point, you have successfully connected Shopify to WordPress using Zapier, and sure to review all settings and configurations to confirm they meet your requirements before finalizing the setup. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.